The HONITURE Q6 Pro Robot Vacuum is an advanced cleaning solution with a unique 4-liter auto self-emptying station, which empties automatically in just 20 seconds, making it perfect for families with pets and children. This robotic vacuum cleaner is equipped with state-of-the-art LDS Laser Navigation and 26 sensors, providing detailed mapping of your home, efficient cleaning routes, and obstacle avoidance. In addition to vacuuming, the Q6 Pro Robot Vacuum also offers mopping and sweeping capabilities with an electronically controlled water tank for efficient cleaning. It is an ideal choice for large households as it can customize cleaning methods for different rooms, store up to 5 maps simultaneously, and has a maximum suction power of 4,000 pascals. The vacuum cleaner is powered by a 5,200 milliampere hour battery, supporting up to 250 minutes of runtime and 400 square meters of cleaning area, with automatic recharging and resumption of cleaning from where it left off. Backed by a 2-year warranty, the HONITURE Q6 Pro Robot Vacuum offers comprehensive after-sales service and lifetime technical support, ensuring peace of mind for its users.